Tired of missed calls, slow responses, and a customer service backlog? Let's build an inbound AI system on Vapi that will transform your customer interactions. First, log into your Vapi account and navigate to the Inbounde AI section. This is where the magic happens. Where we'll configure everything to get your AI agent ready for action. Now, click Create Agent. Give your AI agent a descriptive name. Something like Customer Support AI or Sales Inquiry Handler to keep things organized. You will also pick your preferred speech model. This is important for voice quality. Let's go with the default. This is where you define your agent's behavior. Start by creating a greeting message. Think of this as how you want your AI agent to introduce itself. For example, you could use something like, "Hi there, how can I assist you today?" Next, configure your agent's call flow. Here's where you decide how the AI agent should handle incoming calls. Do you want it to gather information, answer facts, or route the call to a human agent? Vapi allows you to customize the agent's conversational flow. Start by providing a basic understanding of what you are trying to accomplish. The knowledge base fuels the agent's intelligence. Add your facts. Select knowledge base and add your custom facts. Vapi gives you options here. Now, let's set up call routing. This ensures that your AI agent can transfer calls based on context. Define rules for routing calls. Perhaps to a specific sales team for sales inquiries or a support department for technical issues. The more you define, the greater your efficiency gains. Before you launch, test your agent. Use Vapi's built-in testing tools to simulate calls and conversations. Refine your prompts, call flows, and knowledge base until your agent is fully customized. And there you have it. Your very own Inbounde AI agent is now live on Vapi, ready to handle incoming calls, provide immediate support, and route inquiries effectively. Enhance your customer service, increase operational efficiency, and watch your business thrive. Remember to subscribe for more Vapi tutorials.